So from the other day, about 2 nights straight, now I realized that I did not see any light over my neighbor house. I was trying to figure out what was going on. So it's a woman that she does not really talk to me, So I just wait until, she came to church the following Sunday, and I wait until she turned her back and her daughter was by herself. Because, sometimes when you want to find out people business, the best way to find it out is through the children's, you understand? So I call over the little girl. I say, Kimberly, come here. So she come over to me. I said, Una does not have any light over Uno house. She said, no, mommy not really working and we cannot afford to pay the bill. I said, then how Una manage? I said, well, then how Una get what you eat for the dinner last night? She said, we didn't really have any dinner, We had just to drink some tea and go to bed. I said, then where's your father? I notice I don't see him anymore. She said, well, mommy said him run off with a young girl now and him don't even leave any money for us to go to school. I said, really? Then same time, now I see the mother, she coming over there like some parole officer. So I just hurry up and take away myself because I did not want her to realize what we was talking about. Because in all fairness, if I did ask her, she was not going to tell me. You understand? So I was trying to get to the bottom of the bottom of the information. So when I went to church, today now, I see the little girl again, so I calls her over when her mother was not looking. So when she coming over with a little attitude. I said, hey, why you giving me attitude? I said, you don't want me to talk to you? She said, my mother said I must not talk to you. I said, then why she said something like that? She said, because you're too enough. I said, and what else? She said, well, Sister Passion is not me. She was talking to, but she was saying to Brother Aaron that the next time they're having any church meeting or anything like that, they will wait until you're not looking and pour some Gramazone into your wine because you chat too much.